Welcome to our video about the importance of understanding your credit report. Your credit report is like a snapshot of your financial health and can impact many aspects of your life, from getting approved for a loan to determining the interest rate you'll receive. In this video, we'll uncover what a credit report is, how it's created, and most importantly, how we can use it to take control of our financial future. So sit back, grab a notebook, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about your credit report. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more amazing content. Let's get into it. A credit report is an overview of your credit history, which includes the kind of credit accounts you've had, your payment history, and some other details like your credit limitations. Your creditors normally give information for your credit reports to 3 nationwide consumer reporting agencies, CRAs: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Depending on which CRA delivers your credit reports, you can see variations. This is because not every lender reports data to all 3 CRAs. Some just report to 1 or 2 people, if not, none at all. So what's done with your credit report? When determining whether to issue a credit to you and under what conditions, lenders evaluate your credit report as part of their review process. Your credit scores are also determined using the data in your credit report. Your credit reports may also be seen by potential employers and landlords who are deciding whether to hire you or rent to you. When you apply for insurance coverage, a mobile phone contract, or other services like utilities, your credit reports may also be checked. What is an Equifax credit report? It is a detailed summary of your credit history, including information about your credit accounts such as loans and credit cards, and your payment history on those accounts. The identifying details: credit account details, bankruptcies, inquiry information, unpaid child support and alimony, and lastly, collection accounts are the types of information in your Equifax credit report. What do these types mean and what do they consist of? Types of Equifax credit reports. The identifying details in a credit report consist of personal information such as name, address, social security number, and date of birth. This information is not used to determine credit ratings. The credit account details, on the other hand, include information about various types of accounts, the dates they were opened, credit limit or loan amounts, account balances, and payment history. These details are submitted to Equifax by creditors. Inquiries can be either soft or hard. Soft inquiries are made by companies or individuals conducting account reviews, checking your credit reports, or companies offering pre-approved offers. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score, and regularly checking your credit reports can help identify inaccurate information or identity theft. Hard inquiries, on the other hand, occur when a lender or credit card company reviews your credit reports because you have applied for credit. Hard inquiries remain on your credit report for up to 2 years and can impact your credit score. They are just one of the many factors that determine credit scores. Bankruptcies, unpaid child support, and collection accounts can appear on a credit report and hurt a credit score. Bankruptcies can stay on a credit report for 7 to 10 years, depending on the type of bankruptcy. Unpaid child support or alimony payments can remain on a credit report for up to 7 years, even if the account is later paid in full. Collections account can be related to credit accounts, bank accounts, retail stores, cable companies, mobile phone providers, and more. Starting July 1st, 2022, paid-off medical debt will no longer appear on Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion credit reports. Unpaid rent that has been sold to a collection agency can also appear on a credit report for up to 7 years. To get a good credit score, it's important to regularly check and monitor your credit information to ensure accuracy and completeness. You can receive a free Equifax credit report by signing up for an account with Equifax and accessing the Equifax credit report on the dashboard. Or you can choose the easy option and download an app like Credit Karma in order to keep track of your credit. Your credit report plays a crucial role in your financial well-being and should not be ignored. By taking the time to review and understand your credit report, you can proactively identify and correct any errors, monitor your credit health, and make informed decisions about your financial future. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope it was informative and helpful. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Until next time, take care of your credit and your financial future.